Alright, so here's the dialogue activity that I mentioned before. This is the traditional character version. Notice at the top it says 第一课, lesson 1, dialogue 1, and also on top it says 理由. That means this sheet is for the person to read the lines of 理由. So the lines that 理由 says are in this column with the mouth that says I say. 理由 says these lines. There's another column that says I hear with an ear. This is the lines that Leo will hear, or in other words, the lines said by Wang Peng. There's another sheet with Wang Peng on the top, and the lines that said that Wang Peng will say are in the right-hand column, and the lines that Leo will say are in the left-hand column. What makes this activity tricky is that the lines for Wang Peng or Leo on either page are out of order. So in order for Wang Peng or Leo to know what their next line is, they have to hear what their partner says, find that line, and recognize the characters before they can read their next line, which will be to the right. Does that make sense? It's pretty tricky. Let's take a look at the comic in order to know what this dialogue is going to be about. So we have Wang 先生 Wang Peng, and he says, 请你问我好不好? Do you remember what this character 问 means? Let me give you a hint. 请你问我. That's right, when your pronunciation on 请问 is wrong, you accidentally say 请问, or give me a kiss. So that's what Wang 先生 is asking for. Li Xiaojie, she says, 不要不要不要. 不要 basically don't want a kiss. 不要不要不要. Try to say it. 不要不要不要. Okay, so first of all, you read the lines of Leo, and I will read the lines of Wang Peng. So I start, and when you hear me say 你好 wink, you'll say 你好 frown. That will tip me off that I need to read my next line, which will be this one, 请问你贵姓, which will tip you off to your next line, 我姓李, 你呢? And so on and so on. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So I begin. 你好, ding. That's your line. 请问你贵姓? "我姓王，李小姐，你叫什么名字？"我叫王鹏，李小姐，请你吻我好不好？Were you able to complete the dialogue? Did you finish with this one? 不要不要不要 and run away? If so, 很好. Otherwise, give it a try. Try it again. Now let's switch roles. So you're going to read the lines of Wang Peng, meaning that you're going to start, and I will read the lines of Leo. So listen closely to what I say. Okay? So you're first. Go ahead and read this line. 你好. Frowns. 我姓李，你呢？我叫李友，王先生，你叫什么名字？不要不要不要 Runs away. All right, were you able to finish the dialogue? Go ahead and practice both roles a couple of times. That's it for today's lesson. And also make sure that you are ready for lesson 1 dialogue 2 tomorrow. 再见.